So we're going to go do door 2 here at the house. It's at a different spot. Put the door here. Can we take this down already? Don't even remember. So here's some common ways rats get into houses, between bricks being popped out by humans, some wall gaps with the window, along with coming up through the weep tile behind a shower. So we're going to take down some doors at this house. It's been a long journey, but they are now rat free. So there's a next door we've taken down here. Let's give you some light, maybe you can see a little better. They were coming in on the corner of the window frame. So as you see, we put the mesh back in, pressure fitted it in, and then filled it up with some sealant. So you can see here, we've done some work to keep the raccoons and the rats out of the window well. And then over here, rats are coming in from the back of the house as well. So there's our door. We're going to take it down. We're going to seal the area up with some mesh and some sealant. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a pressure fitted piece of mesh in there. We'll put some sealant up as well to stop the airflow and to stop rodents from coming back in. So you can see the entry point where the rats are coming in. If you look along the wire there, you can see the grease deposit they leave. So we're going to make a P-hip and block them out. All right, so we got our mesh in place, we got some sealant, entry point is blocked.